What is up, guys? Welcome for coming back in, tuning in with your boy Cuuhriz. Today we have a light to install, so we're gonna get rid of our OEM light. And excuse the bike, it is really dirty and dusty as I will be washing it tomorrow. But these past few days has been a sandstorm here in Texas. See, look at that, look how dirty it is, man. I really gotta wash this thing, but I will wash it after I put the taillight in. But let's go ahead and get into this video. But first, what is up, guys? Just wanted to give a shout out to my boy Simon. Thanks for being a huge supporter of mine, man. I really appreciate. Much love from here in Texas. Thanks for sharing, liking, commenting, subscribing, everything, man. Really means a lot for me. I really hope you enjoy the videos. And if you see any improvements or something that I need to do, man, just let me know and I'll listen, or to anybody for that matter. But yeah, I just want to give this guy a shout out, man. He's a real one. Thanks, man. I really appreciate it. This is his Instagram if you want to go check him out. But yeah, that's all I got, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. All right, let's get back into the video. This is from TST Industries. This tail light that I got. It is an LED sequential tail light. It is the smoked one, and it is gonna be like this. It's gonna cover that one. I did get the smoke one. I think it'd look cool blacking out the whole thing and getting rid of this clear stuff. I do like the shark fins or shark teeth, whatever you want to call this, bat ears. I do like the way this looks, but this also will look nice as it will be all pointy still. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this. They give us the connections and this, I guess, and they give you a zip tie. No instructions. Thanks, TST. So first off, we are gonna remove the rear seat, and looks like to get to the tail light, you gotta remove these two bolts and probably the bottom ones to open it up. So they should be T15s. So let's go ahead and do that. Remember, these screws are all T25, sorry. These screws will all be T25s. I was about to say T15s. Ta-da! These are just clips that were holding me back. You pop them up and you are good to take off the fairing. So we finally got everything loose. I had to take off my tail tidy kit from the fairing to make it all loose. Now that we have a big opening, the tail light is hooked on here by hooks. That's why I had to lower it. You're just gonna push it back and up, and you should be golden, man. All right, so I finally got it off, and these hooks, I don't know if you guys can see it, these hooks right here are connected down here, so that's why you do need to lower down the bottom fairing. So let's go ahead and disconnect it. So we got it all hooked up. You're gonna want to plug in your OEM connector back in, the one you took out from your OEM tail light. You're gonna want to put it back in the normal spot. Then you're gonna connect. It's gonna come with this. You're gonna want to connect white with white, and then your black pigtail connected to the black pigtail coming from the bike, and you should be good. I had trouble with mine because I am running an LED light on my license plate, and it was in the way. So I am gonna have to figure out how to wire this or tap this into my tail light, but I will do that another day. I'm not gonna do it right now. I just want to get the tail light working, and I can always do that later. All right, guys, there it is. That is how it will look, of course, when it is in its normal way, like this. That's how it looks from the top, and that's how it looks from the bottom. Man, it looks a lot better than the OEM. let's go ahead and just prop this right here. I'm gonna show you guys the turn signal. This is left. There will be different modes, but this is our regular one. There's a button right here on top of the tail light. You click it and it switches a mode. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's blinking back and forth now. Just hit another one, click the button again. Now it's like a strobe effect. Click it again. Now it's just a blinker one. So I like this one the best, and show you how the hazards look like. Looks pretty nice, I think. But yeah, guys, there it is. Let me go ahead and just install everything back together, and we are good to go. I want to clip these all in first. Make sure they all sit nice and flush. Man, it looks nice. There it is, guys. It's all nice and pretty now. It really matches the tail now. It's all black, one piece. It is dirty. I am gonna wash it tomorrow. Don't worry, guys. But man, I actually like it a lot. Let me turn it on. And this is from the back. It looks really nice. I'm happy with the guys, but that's the end of the video. I will keep you guys updated on my license plate light. But yeah, if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these, go to TST and look it up, and they'll take care of you, man. But other than that, that's a wrap for me, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I've been moving like an animal and I ain't scared of death. Rather walk a nigga down than let him take my last breath. I can't vouch.